Have you ever got a music copyright claim on one of your videos from one of those free sites such as Pixabay? I have, and here's how I made it go away. So here I have my video where it shows that I'm ineligible for monetization, and it also shows the song that's causing the problem. So what we're going to do is we're going to go and get the license file. So I happen to have downloaded all mine from Pixabay. So I'll grab that. There's my file. And I'm going to copy this entire document. So we'll just do a Control A here. So now let's go select action and we could dispute it. And that's exactly what we're going to do here. So from here, continue. And we're going to pick our reason as license. So we'll select that. And some more information from YouTube here. And I'm going to pick I have permission to use the content from the copyright owner because I have that license. So continue. And here's where you paste your license. So right here, going to paste it all in. Then we've got a few more check boxes to agree because this is a legal dispute that you're putting in place here. So my video does not infringe. That's correct because I have a license. I understand the complainant will be able to review my video and dispute rationale. Yep. And I understand that filing a fraudulent dispute may result in termination of my YouTube account. And then for your signature, you need to put your legal first and last name. So Ages Adventures. Let's make sure I got it correct. You'll put your actual name in here and submit. And there we go. Dispute submitted. And it's going to send it to the claimant for review. We can just close this box and then we get to wait. So now it's going to show that the video is in escrow and all the ad revenue will still be collected on this video. And once it's been determined that you are indeed eligible to receive the funds, it'll release the escrow and put it back in your name. There's also the help files here that you can read about it under the learn more on the escrow and tell you a little bit about the monetization during the content ID dispute. And again, it reiterates the money's going to remain there until the dispute is resolved. Here's a little information on filing a content ID dispute. If you do nothing and let the claim remain on your video, after 5 days from the claim date, any held revenue is released to the claimant. File a dispute within 5 days, ads will continue to run. Ad revenue for the video earned will be held while the claimant reviews your dispute. File a dispute after 5 days. Revenue from the date the dispute is made will be held while the claimant reviews your dispute. An important thing to know here is that once there's a claim on your video, the display of the revenue will be delayed. You'll get an email of your copyright claim dispute from YouTube. This is the confirmation, and this is sort of what it'll look like. When you look at your channel content, the video list, you will see escrow written on that video in the monetization column. Click in and it shows you that ads are in escrow. YouTube will send you an email once the copyright claim has been released. So as you can see, as long as you have a license file or actually copy the license information from the site, you can paste that in to your dispute and submit it away. Claim dealt with. That's what I got for you today. Thanks for coming along, and we'll see you in another video. All right, bye now.